Hey friends, Cherie here. Welcome back to the channel, Gardening at Home with Cherie. Well, today I am here to share with you some Coleus plant seeds that I'm starting indoors. I am still working my way through lots and lots of seeds. As I've been mentioning in my earlier videos, I'm starting off sowing seeds for things that I intend to keep indoors or incorporating into my outdoor flower garden. And so a lot of these things need longer times to germinate, or I just need bigger plants when it's time to get them outside because I want them to look, already pretty full in the pots especially. And then again, I'm keeping some indoors just to keep, and that way I can keep enjoying them throughout the year, learning about them, and not having to continue to buy them. So, yeah, let's get the labels written and we'll get into sowing some seeds. Okay, so first up, we have the Folia Sunset Coleus. And as I mentioned, I buy different kinds of these plants every year as they're annuals for me here in Minnesota Zone 4. I love mixing them in with my plants and my herbs in containers because they just have so many gorgeous colors. The leaves, they're one of my favorite fillers. And so I had started buying these seeds a couple years ago. And I think I may have started some at some point. I don't know that I either totally lost them before they even made it outside, or they got outside and never got planted. I can't remember. But look how tiny those seeds are, y'all. So I'm going to start 3 cells because, like I said, I have multiple packs of most of these. So let's see what this says real quick on the back about this variety. So it says Folia Sunset Coleus, a deep dramatic blend of crimson and mahogany sunset tones. These tidy foliage plants have bold and bright marbling of iguana green and burgundy. These small plants are excellent for containers, window boxes, beds, and borders. So I'm going to put in a few seeds in each. They're so little. And of course, like everything I'm starting in these little cells, they'll eventually need to be up-potted. So if I have multiples germinating, I can, deal with them then. I feel the urge to put a couple more seeds, but I'm going to stop because if they do, all germinate, like I said, I'll separate them. If I don't get a lot of germination, it's early enough that I can start more. And I will be starting more, so yeah, let's just learn. We'll put a few seeds down and try to learn, seeing how quickly they germinate and learn more about them as they grow. Our next variety we're going to start is called the Folio Picasso. I mean, look at those leaves. I had some of these on my screen porch this year that I bought as big plants. And I brought them inside. And if I go right now to my local big box stores and Menards, they'll have plants like these in the annual plant section. Because again, they are often house plants for us here in Minnesota Zone 4. So it says here, marbling of lime green and hot pink make this the most groovy Coleus. These very colorful foliage plants are excellent for containers, window boxes, beds, borders, or anywhere in need of a vibrant splash of color. So again, just beautiful. And I'm assuming all the seeds will be small. And now that I think about it, I don't think I ever sowed these because I feel like I would have remembered these tiny, tiny little seeds in plastic bags. So we'll see. I'm still in the midst of organizing all my seeds and pulling out, not really pulling them out, but kind of grouping them. Like right now, I just have boxes with flower seeds. So I'm trying to organize them to see all the different varieties I have, because I know I have multiples, and just kind of grouping them as I sow them so I can take stock of what I have and see. Like sometimes I've come across some things and it's like, oh, that packet is actually empty. I need to get more. And then some I find, I'm like, oh my, I forgot I even ordered that. So this is going to be the fun new challenge for the year, is trying to get more non-edibles, non-vegetable and fruiting things started from seed. Our third variety for today is the Coleus Red. And I mean, look at that vibrancy. So, okay, this was a new pack for this year. It says here, with its captivating colors, wavy leaves, and soft ruffled edges, Coleus Red offers a stunning twist on the traditional Coleus and delivers bold color and texture, especially in shaded areas where its rich tones shine easily. So, okay, I gotta remember to put that in some shady spots. Well, the front isn't full shade, but it definitely gets less sun than where I grow my vegetables. So that's gonna be really fun to see. Ooh, I hope these grow well. I'm just shaking the seeds down away from where I'm going to open it. It looks like I'm dropping like 3 to 4 seeds per cell here. I don't know where they're landing, but hopefully they're in there. And our fourth and final variety for today is the Coleus Chocolate Green Coleus. Look at that. So this here says a compact plant with frilly green leaves dipped in rich chocolate tones, stunning and unique. I mean, that's just a stunner. All right, friends, I'm going to get these covered with a little bit of soil, get them onto the grow racks, and I'll be back here again soon to share the next round of seeds that I'm sowing, and certainly in a future video, you'll see more of the Coleus varieties that I have, and hopefully I'll have some germination to share with you. Take good care. Bye.